Box 3. We're back.
We're back.
After getting Kane and Brock in the first 2 boxes. Still searching for some major mojo though. We need some major mojo.
PSP. Phil Baroni. Phil Jabroni again. Shane Kawizi.
Alright.
Dell versus Ortiz. Anderson Silva, thick card. Frank Mir.
Oh, it's an Onyx. It's a black one, number 88.
Oh, yeah.
Number 88.
That's what's up.
Onyx. Frank Mir.
Frank Mir. It's for sale. Holla. Base. Road lines. No Galato. Keep moving. This pack is a little tough to open. Got me. Bum. Quentin, Pride and Glory. I like that one.
Rampage.
That Charles Maslo's Octagon of Honor.
Mask. Devin Zappa.
Alright. Who's that? Alessio Sakara. Matt Relic. 2 color. Blondie, Fire and Glory. I like that one. Base. Akiyama. Silva. And we got 2 of those already.
The thick one?
Yeah. The Mask again. And Ruler. Still need another auto, right? DJ Penn. Joel Zoom.
Ooh.
Oh, Los Santos. What's up, boy?
Uh-oh, we're missing an auto. This is the last pack.
Last pack.
Could it be that we're missing? Could it be that there's a missing auto in this
Why?
box?
Because they put a 1 to 88 in there? Yup, missing auto. That's for sure. Yup. You guys seen it. You
Damn,
guys
Tops, we
seen
couldn't
it.
get a redemption in there.
I'm saying.
Frank Mir is the only autograph.
I guess he's worth 2. This card must be worth 2 autographs.
It says right there in the box, 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia. It's Tops. I'm not happy.
Not happy.
Pissed off with box number 3.
It was bound to happen.
We'll be back.